When you walk through blizzards of a sandstorm, your footprints will disappear as soon as you step out of them. There's no way to review the places you've been. The meanings get worn away so quickly that everything sworn as a truth is seen as a lie. You do your best to brace yourself, but life this new hasn't washed the blood from just being born. That's how they see your choice to start again. It goes through the birth pangs of a divorce with people in the rooms that don't belong. There's blood about everything. Someone tends to covering up the past, and you're forced to save it before every footstep